into the farm, about to get service truck and head on down to the field, get the combine blew off, make sure everything's okay on it, and then we gonna start picking corn. It's gonna be a good day of picking corn. Oh, little doggy, you do this to me every morning and I don't like it. We got little dogs around here. Well, Ken's got dogs around here. There's little friends, I guess. But they, every morning somebody pulls in, they run right up under your truck. And I feel one day that I'm gonna hit one and I'm gonna be regretting it. Poor little dogs. Okay, well, we're here. About to get the combine ready. And as I get in the combine over there, we park it right there, so kind of keep it out of the way so people don't mess with it, you know. I look at the service truck, and you know what I see? I drove down the mountain, which is about a 10-minute drive with that open. Never knew it. I checked, everything's supposed to be there that was supposed to be in there, but I got lucky on that one. I will say, I got lucky on that one. For anybody that knows, on moist, wet mornings, days like today where the dew set hard last night, these ladders ain't fun to climb. You know, a lot of people out there know what I'm talking about. They're rough. But let's get this air filter out, get it blown out. Then clean the windows. Windows are dirty. I was in some dusty corn yesterday. And then we're gonna let Jamie blow all the tassels and stuff off the top there. Just, you know, because he's late again. But it's okay. He had to take Luke to school. Our actual combine operator. His son, which is like 7 years old, can drive a combine better than he can. Well, he can drive all equipment better than he can, really. But y'all need to watch Luke's YouTube channel, which is The Big and Mini Farmer. Yeah, y'all need to go watch it. Let's go pick some corn. Well, we're gonna get started picking. Today, we're gonna try to run. We need a good day of running. Like yesterday, we had a pretty good day yesterday. We've had a pretty good year of running so far. We just got other stuff going on right now. But maybe we can get some good days of running here in the next couple days and get a bunch of stuff knocked out. Picking corn. So, we're having to unload the trucks here at the wood yard, which is right here beside some of our fields. We can't get a truck in there because just coming off the road into the field is too steep, and we just can't get a truck in there, really. So, the wood yard was nice enough to let us come out here and load. We're just over here out of the way, as you can tell, with everything. So, let's get this truck.
pretty impressive yield map though. Everything green's 240 plus. Old chicken leg just got done eating chicken. He ain't worth 2 cents.
Well, we're picking. Thanks for the corn. Man, I'm telling you, when people are driving combines, combine operators, they are needy, man. They always.
This is good going right here. 264, 231, 260, 266, 50.
They always want you. Like, why they gotta be so needy? I don't understand it. See, they still got his auger up. His flashers ain't even on. But it does make for a pretty cool shot.
Look at past this waterway, you can come underneath me.
10-4. Man, I'm telling you, grain cart operators is what keep it going. Well, we just finished up this little field. It's not much. We got 3 hoppers full off of it. We're gonna go back over here to the big field, which you can see just straight across the railroad tracks. I'm gonna go dump this and then go get some more from Jamie. See, in oats, I wish we had a 1,000 bushel grain cart for oats when we pick oats and beans, because we're running 4 combines when we're picking oats and beans. We've got a the S670, an S660, a 9670 STS, and a 9650 straw walker. And it would be a lot easier for the grain cart. When we're running 4 combines, I have 1,000 bushel. Really, for corn, and you know, if we got two combines running and beans, it really just depends on how many people we got working at the time. But this V700 does us good, but for oats, I really do wish we had 1,000 bushel and beans. It would be nice, but the 700 is practical for our farm as of right now. In the future, I could see a bigger grain cart, But right now, this does us good. And I could see another corn head in the future, but we would need another hopper bottom, because right now we've only got, I think we got 3, if I'm thinking right, 3. But I don't know, we'll see. We're finished here. Headed to another field. Get everything parked there. Go back to the farm. Got a truck to unload. Then we'll be back at it in the morning. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.